How to add a Wix chat on your Wix website. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to add Wix chat to your Wix website. This feature helps you engage with your visitors in real time, so let's get started. First, log into your Wix account at wix.com, then go to the dashboard of the website you want to add Wix chat to. In the left sidebar, type Wix chat into the search bar. Click on Wix chat from the search results to view the app's details. Click on Add a site to install Wix chat. Follow the prompts to configure the app settings, including the chat widget's appearance and default message. After adding Wix chat, go back to your site's dashboard and click on Site, then Site Manager, then Wix chat. Customize settings such as chat colors, welcome messages, and offline settings to match your site's branding. Once you've customized Wix chat to your liking, click Save and then Publish to make the changes live on your website. And that's it, you've successfully added Wix chat to your Wix website. Now you can start interacting with your visitors in real time. For more tips and tutorials, check the description below. Thanks for watching.